Hello! In this video I will show you how to change search engine into custom one on Samsung Galaxy Xcover 4S. So you have to start by opening your internet browser, and now you have to go to your custom search engine website, and for this example I will use yep.com. And now you have to search something using your custom search engine. Now you can click on this button and then go to settings, then click on search engine, and in recently visited you should have now yep.com option, so you can select that and then click back. And as you can see, my search engine is now set to Yep. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.